Curtains dancing with the glow, your shadow moving close to mine, breathing in the quiet time. Windows open, summer air, your fingers running through my hair. No need to speak, I feel it all. Your heartbeat echoes down the hall. Every little spark between us feels like stars inside the room. And when you say my name so softly, all my worries fade too soon. Stay with me in this midnight warmth, where the world feels far away. Let the silence hold our hearts, so we don't need the words to say. Slow dancing in the living room, moonlight on your skin. If forever starts tonight, let it quiet begin. Coffee cups and tangled sheets, barefoot rhythms, steady beats. Your laughter floating through the air, like a melody we share. Every glance a gentle fire, soft and deep, sweet desire. Time can wait outside our door, don't need anything more. Every little spark between us feels like stars inside the room. When you pull me just a little closer, all my fears dissolve like perfume. Stay with me in this midnight warmth, where the world feels far away. Let the silence hold our hearts, so we don't need the words to say. Slow dancing in the living room, moonlight on your skin. If forever starts tonight, let it quiet begin. Don't let go, stay inside this afterglow. Hearts in rhythm, beating slow. This is all I wanna know. Close to you, everything feels safe and true. Like the sky has turned to blue, even in the darkest hue. Stay with me in this midnight warmth, hold me like you mean it. Every second feels so right, I don't wanna leave here. Slow dance until the sunrise, wrapped up in your arms. If forever lies somewhere, it lives inside this warmth. Stay, just stay with me. Morning light through my window, coffee warm, playlist low. Got the rhythm in my heartbeat, soft and steady, nice and slow. Little dreams on my notebook, big ideas start to grow. Ay, ay. Every step feels a little sweeter when I let the good vibes flow. And no more worries on replay, I'm breathing in today. Feel the sunshine in my chest, all the stress just fades away. We're gonna glow, 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 let the good times roll. Every little step we take, shining bright in gold. We don't rush, take it slow, but we're moving strong. Smiling through the little things, that's where we belong. Oh, feel it in your soul. Oh, let your spirit glow. Soft breeze dancing through the curtains, city hum below. Got the jazzy kind of freedom in the way we go. Laughing out the small mistakes, they don't matter anymore. Every second feels like music knocking gently at the door. No more heavy clouds above, only light and love. Every heart heartbeats syncing up with the stars we're dreaming of. We're gonna glow, 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 let the good time show. Every little step we take, shining bright in gold. We don't rush, take it slow, but we're moving strong, smiling through the little things. That's where we belong. Even when the world feels loud, we just turn it down. Find the rhythm in our breath, peace is always found. Hand in hand with hope inside, we don't need control. Every little happy moment makes us feel whole. We're gonna glow, 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 let the sunshine show. Every dream we're holding tight, ready now to grow. We rise nice and slow, ever steady, so smiling through the simple days. That's our kind of glow. Shine with me, shine with me. I didn't see you coming, sunshine after rain. You walked into the silence, now nothing feels the same. There's a rhythm in my heartbeat every time you say my name. It's a sweet and simple magic running softly through my veins. Every little touch and every little smile makes my whole world pause for a while. I don't need a reason, I just know it's right. Every time I'm with you, everything feels light. I'm falling in your light, like stars in summer skies. Everything is shining when I look into your eyes. Baby, it feels so right, no fear, no disguise. If this is what love feels like, I don't wanna say goodbye. You make my heart fly, higher every night. Coffee getting colder, but I don't even care. You're talking about your dreams, and I'm lost somewhere in there. Every laugh you give me is a melody so sweet. Didn't know forever could feel this easy. When you hold my hand, time just slips away. In your arms is where I wanna stay. No more second guessing, no more lonely nights. You walk into my life, now everything's bright. I'm falling in your light, like stars in summer skies. Everything is shining when I look into your eyes. Baby, it feels so right, no fear, no disguise. If this is what love feels like, I don't wanna say goodbye. If love is a song, then you're my favorite line. If love is a dream, I hope it's you. And I ain't no rush change inside, like a quiet little spark I couldn't hide. Now the colors look brighter than before. Even simple moments mean so much more. Every second with you feels brand new, like the world just shifted into view. When you call my name, I can't explain. It's a sweet escape, like summer rain. All the doubts I had fade away every time you say you're here to stay. You feel like home, like I've known you all my life, like a perfect song playing soft every night. When you hold me close, everything's alright. I didn't know love could feel this warm, this light. Oh baby, don't you see, you're my favorite melody. Late night talks and city lights, laughing till the morning light, dancing in the kitchen slow. No place else I'd rather go. Every little thing you do makes my gray skies turn to blue. Never thought I'd fall this fast, hope this feeling always lasts. Oh, in your arms I find peace of mind. No more lonely dreams left behind. Every heartbeat feels so true. All I really need is you. You feel like home, like I've known you all my life, like a perfect song playing soft every night. When you hold me close, everything's alright. I didn't know love could feel this warm, this light. Oh baby, don't you see, you're my favorite night. Maybe it's crazy, maybe it's fate, but every road I took led me to this place. If forever is real, I think I found heaven isn't far, it's here right now. You feel like home everywhere we go. In your eyes I see all I need to know. Never letting go, holding on so tight. If this is love, then baby it's my favorite kind. You stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Morning light through the window pane, golden drops like gentle rain. Steam is dancing from my cup, little moments waking up. Playlist slow, my phone on mute. City hum, but it feels so smooth. Breathing in this quiet space, time is moving at my pace. No rush, no noise, just me and my thoughts. Heartbeat steady, like the tick of the clock. Slow sips and soft days, let the world just fade away. Coffee kisses, warm embrace, floating in this calm cafe. Dream big but move slow, let the gentle feelings flow. In this little coffee glow, I find peace inside my soul. Notebook open, pen in hand, ideas bloom like summer sand. Lo-fi rhythm in the air, comfort floating everywhere. Gentle breeze across my skin, quiet strength is settling in. Not too fast, not too far, just being here is who we are. No pressure, no race, just warmth in this place. Every breath I take feels like sweet escape. Slow sips and soft flowers in the phone.